Tiyak na ang pagbabagong sigla ng pambansang himpilan ng telebisyon bilang epektibong tagapaghatid ng pampublikong impormasyon. Ito'y matapos lagdaan ni Pangulong Aquino bilang batas ang PTV Law. Si Elena Luna sa detalye.
Kikilalanin bilang Republic Act No. 10390 ang nilagdaan ni Pangulong Aquino na bagong People's Television Law. Ayon kay Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Herminio Sani Coloma, tutugunan ng batas na ito ang tinatawag niyang financial hemorrhage na naranasan ng TV network dahil sa naubos na pondo at kakulangan ng pagkukunan ng pangtustos sa operasyon nito.
President Aquino directed the crafting of a proposed bill. Later on, this bill was included in the priority list of the LEDAC. And so we worked on the Senate and the Congress to pass a new charter for People's Television that had two features. Number one, infusion by government of fresh capitalization in the amount of 5 billion pesos. And number two, giving the network authority to collect commercial revenues.
2 bilyong piso ng 5 bilyong pisong capitalization ng PTV ay magmumula sa mapagbebentahan ng 2 sequestered TV stations na RPN 9 at IBC 13. Ang natitirang 3 bilyong piso ay manggagaling sa national budget ng gobyerno. Sa tulong ng pondo, isasaayos ang kagamitan ng network at mga ipinapalabas na programa, pati na rin ang sweldo at benepisyo ng mga empleyado.
Meron pong specific provision in the law that allows the board of directors and the management to implement a reorganization of the network. And it also says there that provided that an employee has rendered at least 1 year of service, such employee may be entitled to retirement and or separation benefits. The employees will be properly informed and they will be duly consulted as one of the relevant stakeholders. So we would like them to get involved in the process of working out what is properly due them. There are also unpaid benefits because of the financial hemorrhage, and we are also committed to address that issue as soon as we are able to generate additional funds for the network.
Mahalagang probisyon din ng batas ang pagkakaroon ng TV network ng Advisory Council na may 7 miyembro na voluntaryong magbibigay ng serbisyo sa PTV nang walang bayad.
With the enactment of the new PTV law, we hope to broaden the participation of the citizens in having a network that will mirror their aspirations. We want to invite the various sectors to give concrete suggestions on programs that will be to the community and to society. That is the rationale for the formation of an advisory council.
Samantala, hindi naman palalampasin ng Administrasyong Aquino ang mga nanamantala sa pondo ng government station.
Patuloy naman po yung pag-aaral ng mga available records. And following this administration's commitment to good governance, we will pursue proper administrative or legal action against people that are found to have been involved in whatever irregularities could be properly documented or substantiated.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.